Good. Now, hit, remember, go here and hit save first. No. Hit Control S. That's to save it. Control S. Good. Now hit play. That triangle. You did it. It worked. Hit play again. Yeah. Now we're going to do this here. All right. Stop. Now we're going to change this to Hargraves.
I kiss and
You're Addie. Okay? And then Jose Joy. Joy. Go. Shift J. So these are called formatted strings, okay? So then it formats the way the things are, right? Joy. Good. Now hit Control S. What does Control S do? Let go.
It saves the file.
Yeah, now hit play and let's see. Where'd Hargraves Joy go? Oh. Jose Joy and Hargraves. Okay, stop. Okay, so now you know how to format a string, okay?
I just spammed it and it